Welcome to FPV Insights. I'm Lucy. Today we are going to talk about AI FPV racer. Do you remember the world's greatest competition of chess? Do you remember IBM's Deep Blue won against Garry Kasparov at chess in 1996? Do you remember AlphaGo crashed the top champions Lee Sedol at Go in 2016? This competition where machines prevail over human champions are key milestones in the history of artificial intelligence. Now, AI defeats human drone racing championships in history world first, marking the first time AI has beaten humans at physical sports. On Wednesday, a team of researchers from the University of Zurich and Intel announced that they have developed an autonomous drone system named Swift that can beat human champions in FPV drone racing. The Swift AI won 15 out of 25 races against world champions and clocked the fastest lap on a course, where drone reached speed of 18 km per hour and endure acceleration up to 5 kilograms, enough to make many people black out. I think a lot of people are very familiar with FPV drone racing. It's a sport where competitors attempt to pilot high-speed drones through an obstacle course as fast as possible. Pilots control the drone remotely while wearing a headset that provides a video feed from an onboard camera, giving them a first-person view from the drone's perspective. So physical sports are more challenging for AI because they are less predictable than board on video games. Until very recently, autonomous drones took twice as long as those piloted by humans to fly through a racetrack, unless they rely on an external position tracking system to precisely control their trajectories. Swift uses real-time data collected by an onboard camera similar to those used by human racers. It also incorporates an integrated inertial measurement unit that measures the drone's acceleration and speed. An artificial neural network processes this data to localize the drone in space and identify race gate on the course, and to choose the best course of the action to complete the raced circus as quickly as possible. After practicing repeatedly in the simulated environment, Swift defeated the three world's cars human pilots: 2019 Drone Racing League champions Alex Vanover, 2019 MotoGP Drone Racing champions Thomas Wittmatter, and three-time Swift champions Marvin Strappers. Analysis of the races show that Swift has consistently faster at the start of a race and pull tighter turns than the human pilots. The quickest lap from Swift came in at 17.147 seconds, half a second faster than the faster human pilots. The race left the world champions with mixed feeling. This is the start of something that could change the whole world. On the flip side, I'm a racer. I don't want anything to be faster than me, said Wittmatter. While AI has made significant strides in speed, human pilots were more adaptable when the conditions were different from what it was trained for, etc. if there was too much light in the room.